Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to detect land use land cover change of an area between two different years. For this we need land use land cover map of two different years. Here I have taken land use land cover of birth year of year 2017 and land use land cover of birth year of year 2024. First let's see. If you don't know how to make land use land cover map, I have made a video regarding how to make land use land cover map using Sentinel-2 dataset. You can check out the video link in description box. So okay, first let's see the attribute table of these two different land use land cover. For year 2017 you can see YD value and count here is given, and for attribute table of year 2024 here we can see the same value OID value and count. Here 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 11 means different land use classes. I am using Sentinel-2 dataset. To see what does that value infer, you can go to your Chrome browser and type. You can go to Chrome browser and type Sentinel-2 LULC. Here you can see the description of those value. Here go down, read more. Here you can see the properties of those LULC, and here what does 1 means. 1 means water, 2 means trees. Similarly you can see the name of those values and description as well. So let's go back to our ArcGIS. In step 1 we will convert this raster to polygon. For this go to search bar and type raster to polygon. Here you can see, and go to the first link here and go to first step here, raster to polygon conversion tool. Click here. Here you can see raster to polygon. In input feature I am first doing analysis of year 2017, so I am uploading raster file of year 2017. Here in field option I am taking on value because our land use land class is in value. In output indicate the folder where you want to save it, just rename it. I am saying it raster to poly 2017. Okay and okay. Here it is converted into polygon. Let's see its attribute table. Here you can see its attribute table. There are 13,541 polygon are generated. Here in grid code you can see the value 1, 2, 8, 11, and likewise this value indicates the values I show you in Sentinel-2 dataset, in which 1 means water, 2 means tree, 4 means flooded vegetation, and likewise. Now we will dissolve this value. Go to table of content and go to geo processing for dissolve. Select dissolve. In input file input raster to poly 2017 which we recently created, and in output feature give the output file path and name. I am naming it dissolve 2017. Let's save it. We are dissolving on the basis of grid code, so we will tick mark grid code and okay. Here we can see the dissolve 2017 feature here. This is a dissolve 2017 feature here. Let's see its attribute table. Here you can see the attribute table of this dissolve polygon. Now we will rename this grid code with the corresponding land use class. For this go to add field, give name LULC 2017 and type, go to text. Okay, and we will also calculate the area of those polygons, so we add another field as well, say area 2017. Area is always in double, so double and okay. Here you can see the attribute table here. Now we will rename this grid code. For this go to dissolve feature and start editing this. Continue, and again open attribute table and type writing the name based on the values given here, where 1 means water, 2 means tree, and rename it. Here I have renamed it all according to the grid code class. Now after renaming, stop editing. Do you want to save edits? Yes. Now we calculate area. For this, select all and right click here. Go calculate geometry. The area, we need area in hectare. So hectare. Our coordinate system is UTM 44 zone. So it's correct. Okay. Here we can see the area in hectare. Now similarly we will repeat that operation for land use class 2024. So okay, let's again do same operation for land use class 2024. First we go to search bar again and raster to polygon conversion tool, input feature land use land cover of 2024. In value we will select our value, field option we will select our value. In our output feature class we will give our folder path. So raster to poly 2024. Save. Okay, and it's working. Here it's converted into polygon. Okay, now after converting it into polygon, let's see its attribute table again. Now we will again go through the same path. We will dissolve it. For this, go to geoprocessing, dissolve, and in input raster to poly 2024. We are going to dissolve on the basis of grid code. So give the file path name as well. Let's say dissolve. Dissolve 2024. Save. So this is dissolved. So this is dissolved map. Let's see its attribute table. Here we can see the attribute table. Like previously, we will now rename this grid code and also calculate the area. Okay. I am naming it LULC 2024. For name, text. For area, double. Okay, let's rename it. We'll also start editing to rename it. Continue. Rename it according to corresponding values and the name according to Sentinel dataset, like this. Okay, after renaming it, we're going to stop editing. Yes, let's calculate the area. We need in hectare. So this is the area. Now after getting the dissolve of 2024 and 2017, we are going to intersect it. For this, go to geoprocessing and go to intersect. Here you can see what intersect will do. Intersect takes two features as input and gives output on the common feature, and gives output as a common feature. Here you can see. So we will select here in input feature. We will take first dissolve 2017 and dissolve 2024, and attribute table, that should be all, and give the output file path. Let's say intersect, save, and okay. Here you can see intersect polygon feature here. Let's see the attribute table of this intersect feature. Here we can see the attribute table. Here we can see the grid code of, here we can see grid code, LULC and area of 2017, and similarly grid code, LULC and area of 2024. Now we have to add two more field here to detect the change. Go to add field and say LULC change. In text feature, in type, say text, 50, okay. Okay. Here is our another field, and also add another field. Add field, LULC area change. Okay. Okay. Here you can see our two new added area. So for LULC change, select this all, right click, go to field calculator. For this we are going to mention LULC of two different year. So first LULC of 2017, double click it, then click plus and insert double inverted comma and say minus, and again double inverted comma, then plus, then LULC of 2024. We are going to mention LULC of 2017 and LULC of 2024 at one column, separated by this minus symbol. Then okay, let's say okay. Here you can see it's calculated here. And for area, just right click and go to calculate geometry and in hectare. Okay, so here you can see our area is also calculated here. So for now, close this attribute table. Now after intersecting, you can again convert this into raster. For this, again go to search bar and type polygon to raster. Here you can see here is already option of polygon to raster. So yeah, polygon to raster. For input feature, we will insert intersect, and in field value we will have land use land cover change this value, because we want to see what land use land cover changes into which. So okay, in output give your folder path and name. Remember, we should always rename .tif in raster file. In cell size, type 10, because we have take Sentinel dataset of 10 into 10 resolution. So 10 or okay, then type OK. Here, so this is our raster file of land cover change detection. Here you can see the LULC change detection. Let's zoom it. Let's analyze it now. For example, you can see this all green. So this all green means crops to crops. This means this is unchanged. This is unchanged area. For example, you can also see crops to trees. Here you can see this color, crops to trees. This area previously used to be crops are now changed into trees. Similarly, this color indicates the LULC of 2017, the LULC 2017 is changed into which LULC feature class. So okay, this is our LULC change detection map. Now to present it in Excel, we should go to intersect and open its attribute table and select all from here to last. Just right click here, and here you can see copy selected option, and you should paste it in Excel here like this. Okay, after pasting it, we only take the column which we need for now. LULC 2017, I am pasting it here. LULC 2024 and area change. Now to present it in tabular form, just copy it. We will use pivot table. Insert pivot table in existing. Select one column here. Okay. We will take LULC of 2017, LULC of 2024, 17, 24, and LULC of area. We will take one LULC in row and one LULC in column. Now here you can see in row LULC of 2024 and in column LULC of 2017. Here the change from bare ground to bare ground or no change is 1150 hectare, but the bare ground is changed into built up area by 1 hectare, and bare ground is changed to crop area by 7 hectare. Likewise, you can see here. Now to present this in graphical form, copy this area, copy here, and select this row and these two column, and go to insert, go to recommended chart, and you can see the LULC area change chart here, and you can use it according to your need. You can also see the type of chart we can use, but for now I am using this one. Okay, here you can see the chart as well of LULC area change. So okay, so this is how you can calculate your LULC area change, and you can also show graphical representation as well. So thank you for watching the video.